Hello dreamers and achievers! Welcome back to the channel. This is Priska Prem Shergill
and this is Francisca Prem Shergill,
and we are happy to have you here. So today's video is very important video, and we are going to talk about very important and crucial topic in your study abroad journey. And we're going to discuss about 3 ways to get your educational loan for your study abroad journey. And believe me guys, when I say this, that these 3 ways are tested and tried personally by us. So that's why we wanted to shoot this video to save you from unnecessary juggle. So without wasting time, let's get started. Over to you, Francisca.
So as Priska has already mentioned the goal of this video, we have come up with 3 simplified ways how you can secure an educational loan for your study abroad journey without unnecessary juggle. Now we have come to realize that securing an educational loan can be a highly troublesome part in your journey. So these 3 simplified ways which we'll be presenting in few minutes would definitely help you in many ways to secure a loan and make your dream come true. Now, without further ado, let's dive into it. So the first point, how to secure an educational loan without a collateral or a cosigner. Now, as we are well aware that most of the students who are study abroad aspirant face this big issue of securing a loan without collateral or cosigner. Some students come up with a very weak financial backgrounds where they cannot present or offer bank with a co-applicant or a cosigner. So in this case, we are here to introduce you with 3 platforms who will be providing you with an educational loan without a collateral or a cosigner. So now the first one is Empower. Now Empower provides all the international students with an educational loan. Now all you need is an offer letter from a university, and that offer letter you'll be uploading on their platform while initiating an application, and within 30 seconds you'll be getting to know if you're eligible for a loan or not. Now there are several perks that Empower provides you. They give webinars on your visa preparations. They even give you career support, visa support, and also provide you with credit cards for your international stays. You can always visit their website and know more. Now the second platform is Zolve. Zolve also provides you with an educational loan without a collateral or a cosigner. All you need is an offer letter and they'll be providing you with an educational loan. Also, Zolve provides you with scholarships, the credit card services, the weekly webinars, and many more, which you can always visit their website and know more about them. And the point to be noted over here is Zolve only provides loan to Indian citizens. And third is Prodigy. Now, Prodigy is a platform which also provides you with an educational loan for your study abroad journey without a collateral or a cosigner. All you need is an acceptance letter from a university, and you have to upload it while initiating your loan application. And within few minutes, you'll be getting to know if you're eligible to secure a loan. Also, if you are in the process of getting an offer letter, Prodigy provides you with the opportunity to initiate an application and get the codes even if there is no offer letter in your hand yet. There are many benefits that Prodigy give you. They give you each and every services without any hidden cost. You can know about their interest rate on their website while they provide you with codes. And also it gives you an opportunity to compare loans with other lender because it is not the primary lender. This is a platform that allows you to borrow from third-party lenders, and also it gives you full-on support throughout the loan process and also give you visa support letters. That's it for the 3 websites. You can always visit these 3 platforms and get to know about more of their offerings and their loans. We'll be leaving the links in the description box. You can always click on the link and go to these websites and know more about the eligibility criteria, their interest rates, their other offerings, which will definitely help you in securing a loan for your journey. Now, twist over here is these platforms have a selected list of university to which they lend loans. Now, you have to see if you've got an offer letter from a university that comes under these platforms, then only you'll be eligible to secure a loan from these websites. What I can say is you can always try to check the university list beforehand while you're applying for universities and see if the universities that they are providing loan to, you can always select those universities and secure an educational loan in a very easy way. Now, moving to the next point.
Now, the next point and the second point over here is that you can also get your educational loan from USA Bank directly. And please note, I'm talking from the point of USA banks only. To secure a loan from USA Bank, all you need is a cosigner who is a USA citizen first, and secondly, he must be in a close relation with you because they are going to ask you about your relationship with the cosigner in the loan application form. And you need not to worry that the cosigner is going to pay off your loan. No, you will be paying every time of your loan yourself. Now, you might be wondering that since it is a loan from USA Bank, now the installment amount is going to be very high. The installment amount is very small. It will be ranging from $25 to $30 only per month. Per month. You can easily pay them off throughout your studies. Some banks also gives you grace period after you're done with your studies, after you're done with your course, and then you will be given from 10 to 20 years to pay off your complete loan. This is a very simplified, tried and tested way to get your educational loan to make your dream come true without any hurdles. So if you have any query or question related to this way, please comment down in the comment section and I'll get back to you in details. Or you can always shoot us questions or queries on our Instagram handles. You'll be seeing them here and we'll get back to you in detail. That's it. Now, last and the third point.
Now, the third point is how to secure an educational loan with a secondary co-applicant. We come across so many cases of students not having a strong financial background, or maybe their parents are filling ITRs of a very minimum amount. In that cases, the bank refuses to lend you loan. Now, what you can do in this case is you can always join a secondary co-applicant to your loan application file and secure a loan from these banks. Now, don't you worry, the secondary co-applicant has nothing to do with repaying the loan amount, and the bank does not even bothers or nudges these secondary co-applicants for the repayment of the loan. The repayment of the loan is entirely based on you and your family. So the secondary co-applicant is just attached to your profile to make the profile strong. So the bank is convinced enough to lend you a loan for the study abroad journey. Now, all you need is identification proofs like Aadhaar or PAN from the secondary co-applicant, or sometimes they can even ask for an electricity bill. Nothing more than this, and then you are set to go, and you can easily secure a loan from these banks. Even if bank demands some additional documentations from the secondary co-applicant, they are not that difficult to be fulfilled. You can easily come up with those documentation and make your profile and secure a loan from these banks. I have name of the two banks who can lend you a loan on your secondary co-applicant, that is HDFC Credila and Avance, who surely provides you loan based on a secondary co-applicant joined to your primary co-applicant in the loan application. Now, if you have any detailed question regarding this third point, you can always shoot in the comment section or reach us directly on Instagram, DM us, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. So that's it for today's video. I hope you found this video very helpful, and hopefully we have answered all your worries and concerns in this video.
So guys, if you found this video helpful, do like, subscribe and comment and share it with people who are also study abroad aspirant, as I have been, repeating this again and again. And if you have any question, do shoot it in comment section and we will get back to you in details surely and definitely. We are coming up with more informative videos like this, so do support us by subscribing to this channel, and we will catch you in the next one. Until then, fight good.